This video is about removing and replacing the shifter on the 987. The full-length video guide on how to do the shift cables is available on my channel as well, and that video includes removing the shifter. So you don't need to hop between videos if you need to do the cables, just watch the cable video. Anyways, let's get started with removing and replacing the shifter if that's all you need. You will need access to the inner mechanism of the shift knob and parking brake, and to do so you need to remove the center console. This can be an involved step, but it's not hard, there are just a lot of little steps. I've made a full guide and a separate video on removing the center console, and you need to do that prior to removing the shift cables. Your 987 should already be missing the center console. Check out the guide on that. I also currently have the battery disconnected. First order of business is detaching the shift cables. We press this all the way in and turn it clockwise, and that releases the spring. I upgraded my cables, but if you're reusing the originals, you'll need to write down or take a picture of how many notches the cables are inserted here. That allows us to pull the cables out. There we go. Now I have a completely loose mechanism here. With the shifter out of the way, these are held in with tension. Grab onto the shift cable and pull out vertically. And there we go, shift cables are out. Now we just undo the 10mm holding the shifter assembly. For the step you're about to see, you do not need to do this if you're not upgrading your cables. I'm showing how to upgrade to numerics, so I remove the old linkages, but if you're installing OEM cables, then you can skip the steps involving the linkages, and simply insert new OEM cables into the existing linkages. Unless the new OEM cables come with linkages installed, which is not necessary, but if they do, this is how you remove the old linkages. On this, the shifter just pop right off on the lateral motion. So hold it in place and apply force, and it should come off. And same with this, it should just twist and pop right off. Now just to mock this up. Cool, we do not need the little piece that was over there. Just set it aside for now. So what we want to do next, plop in these two cables, loosening them. This is obviously only if you're upgrading the cables, otherwise we would be installing new old linkages at this step, new OEM ones. But not installing them just yet, so loosen this all the way. Loosen the other cable all the way as well. You wanna not lose this plastic piece. In order to perfectly lock this into position, I want to use the OEM. And then this clips onto the shifter. Stock position. Grab one more of these. Install the ball onto the shifter. And pop it in. I was fiddling around when I was reinstalling the shifter. And most importantly off camera, I forced this on the side-to-side cable all the way, so make sure you also do that, and I replaced the black cap. Now if you have OEM cables, at this point you would play around with how many notches they're inserted to make sure all of your speeds work, so make sure all of your speeds including reverse work with the new shifter. And if you installed the numeric shifter and cables, then there's about 10 minutes of footage on how to properly calibrate those cables, and that's in my full-length shift cables video, so be sure to check that out for a full guide. This is when we place the shift alignment tool, the OEM tool, on the new shifter and adjust the notches for the OEM cables to make sure that the shifter is positioned correctly and all the speeds work. At this point, we go back to the center console installation video, reference that to reinstall the center console, and we're completely done with our shifter replacement. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you have a good one. Hope this helped.